Excuse me. Waiter.
Yes, ma'am? Is everything all right?
No, everything is not all right. There's a bug in my salad.
I'm terribly sorry about that, ma'am. You're absolutely right, ma'am. I apologize sincerely for this oversight. We take food safety very seriously, and I understand how upsetting this must be for you.
Upsetting? This is unacceptable. Do you have any idea how disgusting it is to find a bug in your food?
I completely understand your frustration, ma'am. Please allow me to make it right. Would you like me to bring you a new dish?
I don't know if I can trust anything else from this kitchen now. I demand to speak to the manager.
Of course, ma'am. I'll inform the manager right away. In the meantime, please accept my sincerest apologies on behalf of the restaurant.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Mr. Thompson, the manager. I understand there's been an issue with your meal?
Yes, there certainly has been. I found a bug in my salad, for goodness sake. This is absolutely unacceptable.
I'm deeply sorry for the inconvenience, ma'am. We pride ourselves on maintaining the highest standards of cleanliness and food safety, and I'm truly sorry that we fell short in this instance.
I appreciate the apology, but how can I be sure this won't happen again?
Rest assured, ma'am, we're taking immediate steps to address this issue. We'll be conducting a thorough inspection of our kitchen and implementing additional measures to prevent any further incidents.
Well, I certainly hope so. This experience has been incredibly disappointing, to say the least.
I completely understand, ma'am. As a gesture of goodwill, we'd like to offer you a complimentary meal of your choice on the house. And rest assured, I'll personally oversee the preparation to ensure everything is up to our highest standards.
Oh, well, that's very generous of you. I appreciate the gesture.
It's the least we can do to make amends for the inconvenience, ma'am. We value your patronage and hope you'll give us another chance to exceed your expectations.
All right, I'll give it another try. But please, make sure this doesn't happen again.
You have my word, ma'am. Thank you for bringing this matter to our attention, and once again, please accept our sincere apologies for the oversight.